Hi guys, Scott Fennell, the Klein guy, here again to tell you about the new MM500 from Klein Tools, the AutoRanging Multimeter. This thing is unbelievable. This thing does AC, it does DC without changing a thing. It's got an auto hold on it, it's got a lighting feature on it, it's got an auto shut off on it. This thing has an IP67 rating on that, which means the 6 means it's dust proof. The 7 means it's waterproof up to 3 feet. You can put this thing in water, take it out, dry it out, and use it. Unbelievable. This thing has a Cat 4 safety rating up to 600 volts. So, next time you're at the Hite company, check out the new MM500 AutoRanging Multimeter from Klein Tools. Perfect for your bag. Catch you later, guys.